All right guys, thanks to this warning sticker right here, I just learned that fuel is flammable. But not a common misconception, right? We all know gas is flammable. And we all need gas at times because our 8-gallon tanks on our machines can only take us so far. So I've seen a lot of like the Rotopack setups, but the problem with that is carrying gas in, say, the back of a razor where all the heat is above your turbo that's putting out tremendous amount of heat probably isn't the safest scenario. Well, AGM is a really cool company. They came up with these auxiliary gas tanks, and fortunately they're mostly only for 4-seaters, but they are coming out with some new models. But what it is actually an auxiliary fuel tank that lets me carry another 8 gallons of fuel in my 4-seat Turbo S, and it stores it below my driver and passenger seats. So with the flip of a rocker switch, I can actually transfer fuel from my auxiliary tank to my main tank so my razor can keep going. Another plus to it is it comes with a buddy hose. So that buddy hose I can connect, turn a valve, and I can actually share the gas as well. So if I run into somebody on the trail, stranded, broken down, they need a gallon of fuel, whatever it is, I actually have the ability to share that too. So a really cool accessory, a lot safer than the Rotopack situation, and something that you need to get by clicking the link below.